Welcome to Blagoevgrad, a small but busy town that has become the student center of southwest Bulgaria. It is a town that flourishes under the influence of its young people. Our town is indeed young, with the people studying in the universities here, as well as in all of the high schools. What we do through our units is mostly directed at the young people. Chamber Opera has special educational plays for students. We have Municipal Youth Center, the Art Center, United Children's Center, Student Theater. Drama Theater Nicola Vaptsar's plays are also aimed at youngsters. A regional library, the Community Center Nicola Vaptsarov, and other institutions that definitely direct their events towards the young people.
Всички тези звена са под ръководството на община Благоевград. Визията на този град би могла да бъде един студентски фестивален център, в който всички културни институти да си подадат ръка и да направят нещо, което наистина да бъде обединяващ формат за младите хора, да речем един културен фестивал.
Blagoevgrad is my favorite city. I've lived in Italy for 5 years, but I constantly dreamt of the streets of this city, and I returned so as to live again in my native, wonderful, favorite Blagoevgrad. You, the young people, give an incredible charm and freshness to this city. When I'm having guests from other cities, they're always delighted that the streets are very cheaper, very colorful, and are lively with mostly young people. Students in this town give an incredible glamour to Blagoevgrad. The cafes are full of fresh, stylish, cool youngsters. Thanks to the young people, this town is really breathing and living and is truly an attraction center.
Обичаме